I get a lot of questions about my OBS, but the most often asked is, how did you get yours to look like that? Specifically the colors, because I have these purple highlights and like purple borders and windows, and like this is purple. And this is all actually from an OBS theme. There's lots of OBS themes you can actually download for free, and it's super simple to do. You can search for OBS themes, and the first link you should get should be this one to the official OBS website for OBS themes. All of these listed here are different OBS themes you can download and install. The one I'm using right now is called Simply Gray. It is simply gray with these different color highlight options you can choose. You have these color previews of all the colors you can get to. I am using this one here. I think it's actually called lavender, not purple. But I'm going to download a new theme just to show you how simple this is. Let's go with the dark Venom theme. So let's click on that. Ooh, this one looks really cool actually. I am going to download this. It did download as a zip file, so I am going to go ahead and extract that. I'm going to extract it into my downloads folder for now. And now I'm going to open a new file explorer window. And this is the file directory you need to go to actually install the theme. So go ahead and go there. And then here are the themes I actually already have installed. Now I'm going to go back to the window that had the extracted file in it. I'm going to double click on that extracted folder, and I'm going to drag and drop both of these into the themes folder. It'll probably ask you for admin permission. You can click continue. And then after you do that, you do need to close and then reopen OBS so it refreshes your themes. But when you do that, if you go into your OBS settings and then go into appearance, you should see a Venom theme under your themes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And you can see here, it changed to the Venom theme we downloaded. And that's legit all you have to do to install any of those OBS themes from the OBS website.